Meaning of Garden City.
Garden City.
Garden City.
Garden City.
Garden City. The term Garden City refers to a planned town or city that is designed to incorporate abundant green spaces and gardens. It was a concept developed in the late 19th century in response to the negative effects of urbanization. The idea was to create self-contained communities where residents could live, work, and play in a healthy environment surrounded by nature. Garden cities typically feature balanced land use, efficient transportation systems, and mixed-use developments. They emphasize sustainability, walkability, and community engagement. Overall, garden cities aim to provide a high quality of life for their inhabitants while preserving and enhancing the natural environment.